Today we're talking about something that impacts every single person watching this video, and that's finding an estate planning attorney that you can trust and you can build a relationship with. Not just any attorney, but someone who will protect your legacy and give you peace of mind and a comfort level. You know, the interesting thing is that a lot of us spend more time researching our next iPhone or TV or appliance than choosing an estate planning attorney. Think about that for a moment. We research phones and appliances for hours, but we'll often pick the first attorney that we find. Today, I want to talk about how to find the right attorney for you and for your family. So let's start with why this matters so much. That's because estate planning isn't just paperwork. It's not just a binder full of paper. It's about protecting everything that matters to you, your family's security, your life's work, your personal wishes, your children's future. How are you going to protect them? Now, imagine trusting all of that to someone who treats you like you're just a file, that you're just another number in their catalog of clients. Let's talk about what not to do when choosing an attorney. First, don't pick based on price alone. Avoid one-size-fits-all plans. Third, never settle for someone who rushes you through the meeting. And fourth, don't work with anyone who can't explain things clearly or will not answer your questions. I've seen what happens when people make these mistakes, and it's not pretty, and it ends up being very expensive. So what should you look for in an estate planning attorney? Well, let's talk about it in two main kind of areas. First, their communication style. A good estate planning attorney explains the complex ideas simply, returns your calls promptly, and makes you feel comfortable about asking questions. Second, they give you personal attention. This means they take the time to understand your family's situation, ask about your specific goals, and create a custom solution for you, for your situation. Now, I want you to write down these questions and ask them in your first meeting with any estate planning attorney that you meet with. First, how often will we review your plan? Well, I like to meet with my clients at least once a year to review their plan and discuss any changes in their life. What might not be a big ideal to you could raise a yellow or even a red flag to your estate planning attorney. Number two, what happens if I need changes to my estate plan? Well, we make the changes. Now, we do charge an hourly rate to make any changes depending on whether the client is part of our client care program for ongoing asset and trust alignment, but we make the changes. Number three, how do you handle family emergencies? Well, depending on your wishes, we can share your information with your family. We also enroll our clients in DocuBanks, a program that allows medical personnel to have 24 access to our clients' healthcare power of attorney, advanced directives, and HIPAA authorization. And of course, we're always available by telephone for those emergencies. Number four, what makes your approach different? Well, we focus on building relationships with our client. An estate plan needs to grow and change as your life changes. And the only way we know to do this is to actually, know our clients. Number five, how do you stay in touch with clients? Like I said earlier, I want to meet with you at least once a year to review your plan. We also publish these videos, these educational videos, and have a monthly newsletter to keep our clients informed. And soon we're going to be offering live seminars, both in person and online, exclusively for our clients so that we can keep in touch. Now, let's talk about those red flags and what to watch out for. Be careful if you see pressure to sign immediately, if the pricing is not clear, if there's no interest in your family's situation, or an unwillingness to explain details or to explain what they are talking about. Here's your practical action plan. 1, schedule consultations with 2 or 3 different attorneys. Bring your questions that I just gave you to that meeting. And you know what? Trust your instincts. Check their reviews. Ask about their communication policy. And remember, you're not just choosing a lawyer, you're choosing someone to protect your family's future, somebody that you need to have a relationship with as your life goes on. Take your time, ask questions, and trust your gut. I always go with my gut. I'd love to hear about what your experiences are, so please drop them in the comments below.
I know I've thrown a lot at you today, so that's why we've prepared our free guide on estate planning. I'll put a link to it in the description below and in the comment section below that so that you can download it and get started in the right direction. And to help you out even more, watch this video up here and this video up here. If you enjoyed this video, then guys, please smash that subscribe button and click on the like button. And also click on that little bell so you'll get notified every time we post a new video. Have a great day and an awesome week. And as always, thanks for watching.